Model cars are fun to build for all ages. Skill Level 1 is a beginner level that is the best fit for younger modelers from age 5 and up. This model level consists of a snap-together pre-painted kit. It will teach the modeler the basics of how cars are put together. Skill Level 2 adds more challenge as it introduces the modeler to gluing parts together. It also requires painting the parts, and includes some decals. Skill Level 3 adds more details, more parts and more skills required. These kits can contain up to 100 parts. They are recommended for ages 10 and older. Skill Level 4 is for a more experienced modeler. The parts are smaller and more detailed than Level 3 and can be a very fun challenge. Skill Level 5 is for advanced skilled modelers and they may contain hundreds of parts. They usually have detailed decals that add to the look of the model. These kits are recommended for ages 14 and older. It is important to pick a skill level that is not so hard that it's discouraging, but is also a fun challenge. Happy modeling!